You fixed the problem. You closed the corrective action. You updated the process. You even verified the part was good. Everything looked fine. And then, a few weeks or months later, the same problem shows up again. Same defect, same issues, same frustration. So the real question is simple. Did we actually fix the problem or did we just hide it for a while? If you have worked in manufacturing, quality, or supply management, you have probably seen this happen more than once. A non-conformance is raised, a corrective action is opened, root cause is identified, an action is implemented, and the case is closed. On paper, everything looks perfect, but in reality, the problem quietly comes back. And when it does, the reaction is usually the same. But we already fixed this. We already did a CAPA for this. How is this happening again? The uncomfortable truth is this. Most recurring problems are not new problems. They are unresolved ones. In today's video, I want to break this down simply. There are only a few real reasons why corrective action fails and why problems keep coming back even after fixes are implemented. And most of the time, it has nothing to do with the effort. It has to do with how we define the fix. Reason number one, we fix the symptom, not the system. Let's start with most common one. We fix what we see, not what is causing it. For example, a part has a scratch. So we did extra inspection, more handling care, maybe even rework before shipping. The scratch rate goes down. CAPA is closed. Problem solved, right? But no, because we never asked the deeper question. Why was the part getting scratched in the first place? Was it fixture design, material flow, packaging, operator movement, storage condition? Instead, we treated the symptom. So the moment conditions change slightly, the problem returns because nothing in the system actually changed. Reason number two, root cause is often not really root cause. Now let's go one level deeper. We often say root cause analysis is completed, but in many cases, what we really have is an assumption, a quick explanation, or the most convenient answer, not the real root cause. A simple example, why did the defect happen? Operator error. But why did the operator make an error? Was the instruction unclear? Was the fixture confusing? Was the training inconsistent? Was the process not mistake-proofed? If we stop too early, we don't find the system cause. But if the root cause is wrong, the solution will always be wrong too. And that is why the issue comes back. We don't verify if the fix actually worked. This is one of the biggest gaps I see. We implemented a corrective action and then immediately close it. But we don't truly validate effectiveness over time. We might check one batch, 1 week, one sample lot, but the manufacturing variation doesn't show itself that quickly. So what happens? The process looks stable until normal variation returns and the issue reappears. A corrective action is not complete when you implemented it. It is only complete when you can prove the problem will not come back under normal operating conditions. So, how do we actually make corrective actions effective? Let me simplify it into 3 questions. Did we fix the symptom or the system? Did we verify the real root cause? Did we confirm the effectiveness over time, not just once? If any of these are missing, the problem is still technically open, even if the CAPA says closed. In my experience, working with suppliers and manufacturing teams, the most repeated issues are almost never new issues. They are old issues with temporary fixes. Sometimes it's inspection tightening, sometimes it's sorting, sometimes it's short-term containment. These actions reduce the visibility of the problem, but not the existence of the problem. And that is why they return. So, the next time a problem comes back after a corrective action, don't immediately ask, why did it fail again? Ask instead, did we ever truly fix it in the first place? Because in most cases, the problem didn't return. it was never fully removed. If this situation sounds familiar from your own experience, you're not alone. This is one of the most common challenges in manufacturing systems. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe. And in the next video, we will talk about something closely related. Why the same manufacturing mistakes keep repeating, even in companies with strong quality systems. Because fixing problem once is not enough. Preventing them from coming back is what really defines quality. See you in the next video.